Hi guys, it's Lindo here. I'm back again. So yeah guys, today it's Friday, right? So meaning it will be my last analysis for this week, right? So I'm on UK100, the stock market, guys. As I said on a previous video, I like to trade the stock market most of the time because stock market pays very well, and also it's simple to trade. So that's why most of the time I like to focus is on a stock market compared to currencies, right? So yeah guys, I'm on a UK100 weekly chart. As always, when I analyze, I start from the higher time frames to the lower time frames. The reason being is to get a clear picture of the market, where the overall direction is heading. So guys, before I can do my analysis, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget guys to subscribe to the channel, right? So yeah guys, I'm on a weekly chart. If you can check UK100 on a weekly chart, it's on an uptrend, right? So you know what to do when the market is on an uptrend. You need to buy. Why? Because the momentum is to the upside. If you can check the structure of the market on a weekly chart, it's on an uptrend, right? Why? Because if you can check, prices are creating the higher highs, the higher lows, the higher highs, the higher lows, and the higher highs. So when prices are creating the higher highs and higher lows, it means that the market is on an uptrend. And then when the market is on an uptrend, we need to buy. And then when the market is on an uptrend, we always buy at what? At a support level. So the first thing that you do, you identify the structure of the market. The structure of the market is on an uptrend, right? Then from the second thing that you do, now you will be identifying all the major support and resistance, right? You will be identifying all the major support and resistance on a weekly chart or on a weekly time frame. We're identifying all support and resistance on a weekly chart. So on a weekly chart, guys, I'm done identifying what? I'm done identifying all my obvious support and resistance, right? Okay, for now, the points that are very important is what? Is these points, which is 7223 and also 6896. These are very important points. Why? Because the current price, it's very close in those points which I've mentioned, right? Because remember, most of the time we focuses on the support and resistance which are very close to the current price, right? Because if you can check here, this point which is 6896, before it was what? It was a resistant level, or it was a previous swing high. And then this arrowed weekly candle, it managed to broke above the high of above that high, above that swing high. So as a result, this point no longer serves as a resistance, but this is now what? It is a support level. And then at a support level, we all know that we look for what? We look for buy opportunities. Because if you can check on a weekly, prices are still consolidating around that support level. So meaning we need to look for buy opportunities. Because if you can check, 6896 have been retested so many times. 1, 2, 3, 4. This support line have been tested 4 times, and the longer the support is tested, the stronger it becomes. So this level have been tested for many times. That's why I'm saying on a weekly, prices are consolidating above an important level, which is 6896. Right. So now and also on a weekly we also have this order block over here. I will just mark with this rectangle line. There was this order block. There was this bullish order block, and then this week candlestick have just retested what? Have just retested this order block. On a weekly, remember, on a weekly was still on an uptrend, because if you can check, the current price is at what? The current price is at 7023, and the previous swing low is what? It's 6345, meaning the current price is still less than the previous swing low, which is 6345. So from where the current price is, what I can say is that from where the current price is, it means that you are still on an uptrend, because the current price is still less than what? The current price is still less than 6345. And then this week prices was retesting this weekly order block. Right, you have retested this weekly order block, and then from there I will be switching to a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame was still on an uptrend, right? Because if you can check, the current price is also still less than what? 6345, right? And also we have this support on a weekly chart, and on a daily chart, right? On a daily chart we also have this support. And then remember, this blue zone, we have took it from where? From a weekly chart. This was our order block, or where? On a weekly time frame, and then there was a retest, and then prices have managed to close above that resistance line, which is 6822, and also the weekly order block, right? Then from there we switch to where? We switch to 4 hour. On 4 hour we're having this resistance. On 4 hour we're having this resistance, which is 6979, and then if you can check here, prices broke above this arrowed candle. It broke above that support line, right? And then prices went up, and then reversed to this point. After it has reversed to this point, and then it was doing what? It was doing a retest. and that retest was in a form of a head and shoulder, right? Because if you can check, this is the head and shoulder, which is not complete. Then on a 4-hour time frame, I'm expecting prices to rise up until 7174, because if you can check here, we have the head, we have this shoulder, and we also have what? We have this shoulder again. So now I'm expecting prices to rise up until 7172, which is what? Which is the neckline of that invert head and shoulder. Because if an invert head and shoulder is formed around an important level, it means that it is the end of what? Of a correction move. Because from here, which is 7172 up until 6822, prices was on a correction phase. So if a head and shoulder is formed at a level, it means that is now the end of what? Is the end of a correction phase or correction move. So we will be expecting to buy since the market is on an uptrend, right? So now, yeah, I will be buying a UK100 up until 7172. That way will be my take profit on a 4-hour time frame. Then for stop losses, I can put a stop loss below this minor swing low, maybe around the 6949. That's where I will be putting my stop loss.